Okay, the next step is I want this cord, I'm going to situate this cord in a manner to where it's going to come out here and do something nice here, which means I'm going to have to get situated here. I'm going to have to push some of this cord up in a cavity, and usually you'll have a cavity. There's a little side cavity here, there's one over here. And at first I thought maybe the air conditioner will get too cold, maybe I shouldn't put the electrical wire in there, but hey, it works fine. Okay, you just push it in there, see? Loop to loop, and then I have to kind of hold it there because I know it's going to come out at the end here. Then I have to look at my cord and see how I'm going to do it. And usually what I try to do is come straight out against the wall, and I'm going to have this looped up like that. Okay, I don't want the loop too tight. I don't want it hanging way down too low either. So I'm gonna just kind of get myself a point there and kind of hold this, and I may have to tweak the wire a little bit more. Okay, and I'm going to hold that up there and kind of look at that to see. Now I'm going to come out just a little bit, okay, like that. Hold that there, look at that, and I'm kind of liking that length. Okay, so what I could do, I don't normally do this, but I'm going to do it this time. I'm going to take my felt tip pen, I'm just going to put a mark right there. Because see, that may fall back out as I'm messing around with this cover. Okay, I also want to make sure, here's my little thermostat wire, make sure that's kind of in there right. I know my damper's pushed in there all the way, I double check that. I kind of look at that, then I get my cover up there. Before I do that, I got to show you one other thing about this particular air conditioner cover. That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.